Today we're going to be tying some knots, a whole bunch of common knots that are used in climbing and whatnot. So let's get started. Okay, let's tie some knots. Let's start with the overhand. Let's do the EDK, or the European death knot. You gotta make sure you have about a foot's worth of tail, and it's just an overhand. And then as it tensions, it starts to roll and it gets tighter and tighter and tighter. Let's do the figure 8. So here's the sharp end. Here's the head, sharp ends towards my fingers. Pretend like this is someone I don't like, and I wrap the rope around their neck and I punch them in the face. And we get, if we take a bite of rope, we can do the figure 8 as well. We have the figure 8. Ooh, it's a messy figure 8. Let's do the snap bowline. Here's the sharp end. We tie a slip knot with the tail going this way. We put, now watch. We can make it into the French bowline by just retracing. So this could be useful as a sturdy tie-in point. And it definitely is easy to untie when you want to untie it. This is a Sterling hollow block prusik cord. It is super abrasive and handles heat of a prusik cord that a prusik cord would need. We'll start by tying the prusik. It goes around on the inside and the inside again. And then we just tighten it up. And then we have the prusik, which is definitely a good rope grab. Okay, so a great rope grab for a rappel backup is the climb heist. And we can just use our hollow block until we get to tier, feed it through the hole. And we have the hollow block. You want to make it so it's pulling this way. So if we were rappelling, it would be sliding down like this, and then break. It kind of works the other way, but just not nearly as good. Let's do the butterfly. Goes like this. It's a little awkward with this cord that we have here, this rope we're working with. There we go. There's the butterfly. If you tie it the way I just tied it, it's great to do with your gloves on. All right, let's do the clovehitch. Two loops like this. We have the clovehitch, excellent for attaching to anchors. If we do the same thing, but instead of switching these, we fold them in half This gives us the munter. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to be updated when new content comes out, hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time.